yourself a trailer. Boom! Ha! Don't worry, it's just me, matey. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside your trailers. And keep an eye on your kids, because these Halloween-loving tractors are ready for one wild jamboree. Now let's get ready to fill them trunks with some treats. Hey, why didn't the muffler go trunk-or-treating? He was exhausted. Oh, boy. Hey, everybody, grab your costume and put her on. Time to go trunk or treat. Take your bag, get her on tight. Tight, one. First right, center, and scoot. Trunk in the back and treat. Trunk or treat. Trunk or treat. Trunk in the back and treat. Partner now. Door to door. Dance for door. Keep it treat. Coming on and on. Light it on and move it on. Move it on. Put in a costume. Put in a treat. Drive on up and ask for a sweet. Somebody give me an X-ray. Trunk in the back and treat that partner. Trunk or treat. Trunk or treat. Trunk in the back and treat that partner now. Door to door. Ask for more. Keep the treats coming on and on. Doors, open your trunk. Put a jump. Sweet, beautiful. Let's keep this gas moving right on. Wait a minute. I don't even know which way I'm going. Trunk in the back and treat that partner. Trunk or treat. Trunk or treat. Trunk in the back and treat that partner.